How to see who sees your story on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who sees your story on Snapchat. Start by opening up your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you're in the Snapchat application, navigate to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to find your My Story. Scroll down until you see the My Story section. You are now in your My Story view. To see who has checked out your story, look for the eye icon. A list will pop up showing the names of people who have viewed your story. If you want to know who viewed your story from another location, you can also tap on the eye icon next to your story. This will show you a separate list of viewers. So that is exactly how you can see who sees your story on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.